What's going on, everybody? It's your boy E Dubs back up in this thing on a nice hot Saturday evening. Got the birds chirping as you can hear it, and here kicking it on the islands, Hawaii 50th state, Hawaii 5. I always like to give a shout out to my peeps in Alaska for being the 49th state, because it wouldn't have did us no good to be Hawaii 409. I also like to give a shout out to all my new subscribers, continued subscribers. Thank you for leaving the comment suggestions below. It is greatly appreciated. Hope everybody who wanted to get those cement 10s were able to cop them today. The boy you never hadn't had a chance to go out to the mall to take a look. I might grab them. I like those shoes. People say 10s are uncomfortable, but we can agree to disagree. I think those are a comfortable shoe. Some people say they may sit, but that's subjective, right? Because it just depends on how many shoes Jordan brand made. If you need to holler at me, you can always hit me up on E_money_shoes. Like I always say, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell as we trying to get this thing up to 1,000 people, the subscribers, so I can do my giveaway. So don't forget to tell a family member, a friend about your boy E Double. Now, enough of that rambling from me. Let's get into the review of the shoe, because after all, that's what you're here for, to see the review of the shoe. As you can see, this is a Nike box. I did the crossover on this one. Women's Air Max 1 LX or Lux, 12 women's, 10.5 men's. Cop these from Foot Action. Official colorway, white, black, total orange. Suggested retail price $130 of them things, but you already know I got them lower than that. But you know me, I'm all about the discount. Inside the shoe, quality control stamp, quality control sticker. Got your paper, just to let you know. Check it out, $65, and that's all that needs to be said on that. This is the women's wear. I think the only difference on this one is the bottom of the shoe. Otherwise, the exact same shoe. On the bottom, got that white, fluorescent orange, Nike Air with that black. Coming around on the toe. Ooh, look at that soft to touch leather. Rather, just do it. Got these fluorescent orange laces, Air Max. And then spectacular. Kind of got some really soft leather or whatever it is, like plush though on the toe. Coming around on the side, got the Just Do It here with your Nike check, your fluorescent Air unit, as you can see. You got your Nike Air here, Just Do It here. Got some nylon here on the back part of it. Coming around on the media side, you see that flicker wicker. I like that. Got that change in it. Nike Air. Right here, the leather's a little bit stiff. I'm going to point to this. I want to need so much shadow. The leather's really stiff here. Leather's very good here. Push the paper in. As you can see, it's all white in here. Engineered for all day. I don't know if you can see that. Engineered for all day, every day comfort. So to get a once over around entire shoe, you guys let me know what you think out of the shoes. Would this be a cop for you, or would this be a pass? Now, out of collection, which one you think is the best? The white, we got the orange, and we got the other orange, the Air Force One orange. I might grab the white joints. I'm not sure yet. Not sure if I'm gonna grab the white to complete the whole Just Do It pack. So you guys leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know which one of the Just Do It pack that you think you like the best. And like I said, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thank you for supporting your boy E Double, and I'm out. Deuces.
Cousin.